Hey guys, how we doing? Welcome to Trade Confident. Today we're going to go over a brand new metric that we added to our website. It is called the market cap strength, and this has a lot of hidden secrets in it that I really believe can help us predict market moves and actually see into the intentions of what Wells Institutions and Big Money is doing behind the scenes that we wouldn't see if we looked at a normal candle chart. I'll show you how we're going to use this and how I actually use this to inject about $50,000, $49,000 into the market at the lower prices here before we saw them move up. And I was seeing this in the market, and that is why I've been very bullish on Bitcoin lately and why we injected that, and we're doing very well. Currently, we are sitting at, sorry, this is the group chat. We're literally talking about this right now. We're currently sitting at, on this program, on this website, tradeconfident.io in our membership here, at 103 for 103 wins. So these wins here, guys, have all been taken because of the metrics over here, the entries, as well as the indicators. I'm not going to go too much into that video today, but just want to give you guys a quick update if you haven't seen that yet. All right, I want to dive into how do you read this metric here, and how are we going to actually use this to make more money, because it's very interesting. So let me try to unpack this in this video here, and we'll dive in. In order to access this, for all of our coins, it's underneath our membership over here. You guys can snag this right now. I definitely would recommend you guys doing this. Our membership will be going up to $95 a month starting February 25th, but members before this date will stay at $49. So if you guys already have a membership with us, just keep it. Those of you guys who sign up right now, when the membership does go up and you see it visually go up on the website, you guys will stay at $49 a month for as long as you want to hold your membership, okay? Just want to make that clear of how to access this. All right, let's go over here to the trade metrics and setups. This is going to be on every single one of our coins, but I'm going to show this to you guys on Bitcoin today. All right, you guys know the emotional index, the long versus short trades. I want to talk about the market cap strength today. Okay, we're going to keep Bitcoin in view over here because I want to give some relativity to price structure and what's happening. All right. I went through and analyzed a bunch of different data points in this, and I believe I have found a correlation here to the market cap of Bitcoin increasing or decreasing and how that actually will affect the future price of Bitcoin and other cryptos, tokens and coins. Okay, watch this. Here's an observation that I have, and I believe this is going to hold true. What I'm seeing here is in the past, when the price of Bitcoin is going down, okay, follow me here. When the price is going down of Bitcoin and the market cap is actually going up for Bitcoin, this tells me that institutions, Wells, the big guys, the money, the market movers, the money makers, the big guys, talking about Cathie Woods, ARK Investment, Michael Saylor, when these guys start pushing money into the market, they're going to up the market cap. You and me as retail traders, with these small $100,000 accounts over here, even $1 million, we're not going to move this too much. It's the big guys over here that are really going to move this. So what I was seeing is I was like, you know what? We can actually see behind the charts the hidden motives of Wells and institutions. How do we do that? And how would we actually find that? And I was like, okay, here's what we could do. We could actually look at price, and then we need to find a metric that actually shows us from literally, you guys can call us a blockchain level, an on-chain level, whatever, that actually shows us real transactions. Is money flowing into Bitcoin or is it flowing out of Bitcoin? And as the market cap increases, the only way a market cap can increase, I know this is pretty standard, is money has to flow into that coin. A market cap will go down because that means people are selling from that coin. So is it not true then that as we see the market cap increase, this shows us the intentions of huge institutions to buy the dip? And then what happened after that? We ended up seeing an increase in price. All right, now that we saw an increase over here, what did you see happened with the market cap? Those big guys, institutions and Wells, they actually ended up selling off their positions and they moved their money out of Bitcoin. Most likely, in my personal opinion, probably into wallets because they were expecting this to see another drop because of, things that they personally saw, things that they meet in secret rooms about, Fed meetings, things that they understand. So what we can see here is money was actually flowing out of Bitcoin while the price was going up. And you guys are like, wait, hold on. How in the world can the price go up if the market cap goes down? Here's my thought on this. I believe if this moves down here over all the market cap, this is institutions taking money out of the market because they're the ones really moving the market cap, right? It's not just a few retail traders. I believe what's happening over here is that this is actually more so retail trader trading up in this area. And this is where retail traders are getting trapped. And this is a precursor to a move back down in the price. But then look what happened over here. The moment price went down, we saw the acquisition of long trades and the market cap of Bitcoin went up on the dip. Institutions buying the lower price, which then forecasted a move back up. Do you guys see how this is literally calling the moves before it happens? And then over here, take a look at this. We have a high and another higher high. So we see the price of Bitcoin going up, but the market cap is decreasing. Why does a market cap decrease? It means money is flowing out of Bitcoin and being either allocated to other altcoins, or the money is being put in wallets, staking, or being withdrawn. Okay? Most likely it is being withdrawn or it's being put in other altcoins, because if it was staking, it would still reflect into the overall market cap of money in Bitcoin. Okay? If that makes sense. So what I'm seeing here is precursors. Now, I saw all this and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is literally a precursor of what's to come. It's like a prophecy. Let me show you even more. This is crazy, guys. This honestly is ridiculous. Look at this. As we started getting a high and a higher high and even another higher high formation on price action, what did you guys see happen to the market cap of Bitcoin? It dropped down here. This drop here, I believe, is big money taking money out of the market, saying we know it's not going to go any higher. We're not putting money in the market. So the market cap is dropping, but nobody can see this because it's not on their trading view charts. They don't have access to it, or they don't know how to access it, okay? We now have this on all of our coins. What happened after this? The bear market went really hard into Bitcoin, and I believe this happened because it basically trapped a bunch of retail traders because, let's just call this big money, was not on the same side as retail traders. Okay, let me show you another example of this on Bitcoin. Do you guys remember when we saw this crash over here? Okay, this crash over here in the market was an extension of the bear market crash over here. Makes sense, right? Okay, bear market, prices moving down, and normally in a bear market, what you see is the crypto cap going down, the market cap of Bitcoin going down. Why? Because people are selling when the price is going down and money's moving out of Bitcoin. Really simple, right? Okay, but something interesting happened over here. What actually happened was that as the price was going down in this area, you guys can see this right here. What did we see happening behind the scenes? What did we see happening? The market cap was increasing secretly behind the scenes if no one was looking at this. I believe this was institutions getting ready to buy the dip here and actually taking action on that and buying the dip, and then that's what drove the price back up. Okay, this is what I saw right here, and this is why I injected that money into Coinbase, that around $50,000, $49,000 right here. It was because of this negative correlation. Market cap moving up while the price was moving down. That, I believe, gave us the spike. So I want to come out in here just fully explain that, guys, because this is powerful. Like combining it with, honestly, the well-institutional smart money as well as the emotional index and long for short trades, guys, the metrics over here, like this is my go-to spot every morning. I look at the indicators, and you guys can watch other videos of how we use those. These call the tops and the drops, honestly, about 80% of the time, 75 to 80% of the time, we're calling the drops with these indicators. But man, guys, the metrics we have over here are keeping us so safe. And I believe, I think we literally called like 4 or 5 moves there in a row, and we saw it happen first, with the market cap decreasing or increasing, which I believe was a sign for basically, I'll end this video with this. When you guys see the green line moving up and the price going down, this to me, in my interpretation, is that we are seeing institutions and big whales buy Bitcoin because that means the market cap's going up. People are obviously buying Bitcoin when the market cap goes up. Why are they buying? Because I believe it's because they're buying the dip before a move back up. Okay, the big institutions can't hide anymore from us. We can see what's happening because they cannot place an order, these billions of dollars on these exchanges without it reflecting in the market cap. True or false? True. You cannot put $1 billion, $10 billion in the market cap or sell billions of dollars without affecting the market cap of Bitcoin. And now that we can see that, we can see if money's flowing out before we start heading back down in an uptrend. And that's going to be a precursor to a possible move back down. Okay. All right, guys, make sure you watch this. It's watch it on all of our different coins. We literally upload this on everything: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, Cardano. We like literally loaded up the entire site yesterday with this metric, and I wanted to show this to you guys. So this is going to help us trade even better. And again, guys, making sure you guys have your membership, lock in here, get secured in at $49 a month. We are going to be up into $95. So guys, that is a full overview of the market cap strength, and I think you guys are absolutely going to love it. And I cannot wait to do more videos for you guys during the week and showing you guys how we're going to use that to even enter and exit trades and predict this market even better. Guys, it means the world to me if you subscribe, if you like this video, if you found this helpful. And guys, at the end of this video, make sure you guys are getting our membership. This will really help you. Not only do you guys get the membership here, but you get access to our Telegram channel where I'm calling exits, our inner circle, which, by the way, guys, I just officially launched the date. So our first inner circle meeting is going to be March 10th from 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're going to get on Zoom live. I'm going to bring you guys on. We're going to talk. We're going to do like an open Q&A session, and you guys just going to get to meet me, and we'll talk about the markets. These are going to be fun. Mark that date down. It's official, so you guys get access to this with your membership. So make sure you guys are signed up there. And on that day, the day of the event, I will send out a Telegram message for a invite to the Zoom meeting. I'll put it over here so you guys can all join me. All right, guys, God bless you so much. Everything you need is in the description. Snag that membership, guys. You are going to have access to some of the most powerful metrics in the market, and we're going to use these to make more money. All right, guys, I love you. Have a good one. Everything you need is in the description. See you guys.